Hey, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Okay, on this Facebook Live. I'm at home now. Okay, yep. So I enjoyed myself at the party and stuff like that. We had pizza, chicken, and Desiree made the shrimp pasta, cheddar cheddar pasta. I mean she could cook that real good. I sure I sure love that. So I mean, check this out, y'all. What's so funny, y'all, is this, y'all. What's so funny, y'all? Y'all want to know what's so funny? You know? I mean, for my birthday in 2020 and stuff like that, I bought sweet potato pie for my birthday party. Like they gonna eat the sweet potato pie, the patty pie. Yes, indeed. Erica enjoying herself having a drink. But you know what, y'all? I want to tell y'all something. Okay? I remember I said to her, I don't allow alcohol in my house. And then she said she ain't coming. Well, when I get a new house, the rule gonna change. Rule gonna change, alright? Alright, so, and tomorrow my church is Women's Day, okay? And I sure can't wait to watch my church. Yes, indeed. I love watching church, and yeah, I watch Kenneth Copeland and stuff like that. And Franklin Baptist Church, Beacon Light, all you churches out there, y'all y'all need a YouTube channel. Cause I love to watching on YouTube. But I don't watch nothing on my phone like talking about it, okay? Cause I love to relax, okay? So I'll put a futon in the next room. So I need well I have the money to buy me a futon though, okay. All right, so so anyway, y'all, I'm just gonna buy me a futon. Okay. So that's what the heck I'm gonna do, okay. Yep, I'm home now. Enjoy myself at the party and stuff like that. I'm so happy that I went to that party. Santana making Tuesday, okay. I mean, they celebrating early because the family is going on a vacation. You know what I'm saying? All right. So, uh, we gonna go on a vacation and stuff like that. I mean, they gonna go on a vacation. My cousin, Lil Huey P, is graduating from college. From college? Yeah, from college, I think. Okay, look at this. Look at this calendar. Tomorrow is May the 1st. You know what I'm saying? Look at the Goombas. Okay. And right here, my cousin them used to call this a big, and I started calling it a big. You know? And them piranha plants. I used to call them French fries on Mario 1, but I call it cucumbers on Mario 3. You know what I'm saying? Yep. So that's all I gotta say, y'all. And plus, I didn't even do a gameplay today. I'm surprised. I'm very surprised I didn't do a gameplay today. You know, so I think I'll either do a gameplay tomorrow or Monday. Who knows? Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching this. Okay. I appreciate. All right. Bye bye, y'all.